Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to install the Canvas package. This is a Laravel publishing platform. It's like a Medium blog for the Laravel. Okay, I have opened another one called Wing. It's the same thing, Laravel Asset Plus publishing platform. Okay, and the Wing has 2.4k stars. The Canvas has the same thing, 2.6. Okay, and the link is created by the Mohammed Said. He's a Laravel team member. But in this video I'm going to install Canvas. If you want, comment it down and I'm going to install in another video the Laravel link. Okay, so first with this Canvas I have created this laraveler.com, and here I have added some blog posts and all my series which is in the YouTube. So here are the series, here is the blog. And okay, just the example of how you can add the blog. Here is the series we have. So create CMS with website with Laravel, create Laravel Livewire, Laravel Media Library, and here we have the setup, and we embed the YouTube here and we can play. Okay, and it's responsive as well. And I have added we have the tags here. So if you come here and down there, we have a sortable package Laravel. Click here, we have tags Laravel. Okay, now come here and open the terminal and Laravel new Canvas. I'm naming Canvas this application. Okay, now cd in the Canvas and composer require. Okay, after that I am going to open this with VS Code. And in .env we have this Canvas database. I think we don't have one. I have one with a name block. Save this one and run the artisan migrate fresh. Okay, after that we need PHP artisan canvas installed. And now we have the email example.com and password. And we need to go to this Canvas login. Okay, if I go to the Canvas test and / Canvas login, Yeah, add the email, add the password, which is password, and we are logged in now. We need to run the PHP artisan storage link. Cool. We can make some changes if we want. The path, the domain, middleware, storage disk, and all of that. So here we have a post, users, tags, topics. So if you come here and create new topic, for example, I'm going to create new for Laravel. Okay, save, and now we have a topic Laravel. If you create another one for the Livewire, and we have a Laravel and Livewire, and we don't have any post for them. I'm going to go to the post and create new post and new Laravel post, and here you see is saved now. Here you can add what you want. You see we have a bold, inline code, link, h1, h2, h3, and all of that. Or we can add the image. So, and this is with file pond. If you have heard for that, file pond. Yeah, here it is the file pond and is working with Vue because the canvas is working with vuejs. Anyway, so here we can choose an image and downloads, open one, and it's uploading an image. You can type a caption here, white image or default. Add here. You can add code here. Add this here and add the code. Yeah. And now here we have general settings, a slug, or is going to be hashing one, or add the title. We'll generate a slug from the title, and we can add the description here, a topic we can choose from Laravel or Livewire. Tags we don't have, we can create on the fly, so Laravel, and another one for Vue.js maybe. Okay, and hit done. We can add a feature image and add another one for feature image. Okay, add this one. Done. And we have a SEO settings. We can add title and description here, and canonical URL. And here we have a publishing. And hit the publish now, and now it's published. I'm going to create a new controller. Open the terminal, artisan, make controller and post controller, and I'm going to not resource, just post controller to show the controller now. Okay, and open the web.php in routes, not this one, web PHP inside our routes, and here when we have I'm going to add post controller class, and method is going to be index. We can name it welcome. Okay, save and open the post controller and create a method here, index. I'm going to check for all the posts. So post is going to be post all, and we need to import that post here. Okay, make sure you import the post, and I'm going to return the view welcome, and add the compact posts here. Okay, save, and now inside the resources, views welcome, remove that, and add the for each posts as a post, and display the post title, and save. Okay, if I open the canvas here, canvas.test, and we have the new Laravel post. Okay, so if I go create another post, second post, and this is the second post. Okay, add the image here, and general settings, add something here, topics, livewire, just vuejs done, and okay, publish, and just publish now. Refresh, and we have a second post here. Okay, but if you go to the GitHub and we can install this PHP Artisan Canvas UI. So copy this one and paste it here, and now run the npm install and npm run dev. Okay, the Canvas UI is installed now. So we need to navigate to the Canvas UI, and if you go here and Canvas UI, and we have the medium, the posts here, and we have only one post because now that this one is a draft, so publishing, and we need to add the time zones. If I change this to 10, and now it's published, so come here and refresh, and now we have 2 posts. Okay, we have a topics here, Laravel and Livewire. Laravel has one post, and Livewire has one post again. Tags, we have Laravel and vuejs. Okay, click in the post, and we have a post here. Here we display that. So if you like, here we have edit and view stats because we are logged in. If I open this in the incognito mode, copy this one and paste it here, and now here we need to sign in. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like, subscribe and share with your friends this video. If you want to install how to work more with this, you can comment and I'm going to create a new video. But for this video, I think we are okay. How we can install, create a post, and add the Canvas UI, and we can change the Canvas UI just to be default here. Okay, so all the best and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.